Hi divas, hi my angels, it's lvluxegirl. Today I have a Dooney and Bourke bag video, a Dooney and Bourke bag. So I wanted to talk about a Dooney and Bourke SLG in my collection, and I have a few other older SLGs from Dooney and Bourke. I figured I would do the unboxing and talk about some of these bags with you, or some of these SLGs with you, since I'm going to be doing the unboxing. Just a little bit of fun here today, and I always like when you guys keep my company. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be unboxing this item that I purchased from Dooney and Bourke, and it's just a small item, you guys, nothing fancy, nothing too big. So I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that like button right now, as well as subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll know anytime I upload videos. So let's go ahead, let's get started. I have my scissors right here, and I have the package right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it. Let me go ahead and just tear into the label with my scissors and with all the tape. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby. So yeah, this was just a piece that I wanted to add, and they had a sale. Anytime they have a sale, you can't resist that. So I had to go ahead and pick this little item up just to add another one to my collection. I want to try to add these in a few more various colors. So the first thing that I see is my receipt. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. It came with the receipt, and then the item is just in there just like that, you guys. So basically there it is, and it is a large frame coin purse. So here it is right here, and it's really pretty. It's in a color that I thought would go with some of my Patricia Nash SLGs and other items out of my collection. So let me go ahead and open this plastic up so we can start enjoying this little beauty. And it's a large frame Kiss Lock coin purse. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, that came out pretty quick. I thought I was gonna have a little bit of trouble. I thought we were gonna be here for a minute. And I like that they had this over the little gold hardware, so I guess to protect it from scratching. And it's in a beautiful, then they also had a little piece of tissue between the little Kiss Lock to protect it. And I'm all oiled up, and already I'm kind of like, I better keep this away from me, because you know, with suede and oil doesn't mix, leather and oil doesn't mix. So I don't want to get any lotion or anything on it, because it is a suede one. And you know, with time, the oils from your skin and everything will darken that. But right now, it's in such a beautiful mustard color. I wonder what the official color of this is. Let me see if I can find on the little tag what the official color of this one is. But I really thought, like I said, that this one would look really cute with some of my bags, some of my some of my handbags, and some of my other SLGs. Okay, so here's the tag. At least the tag didn't go flying. I think that was the warranty card that went flying. So does it say the color on here? It doesn't say the color on here. Okay, well, comment down below. Comment down below if you know the official color, or I will as well look it up on the website and put the official color in the comment and description box down below. But this is what the beautiful interior looks like. It's the classic red. You guys know the red that the Dooney has on the interior. And this is such a pretty mustard color. Like I said, it's mustard, but it's suede. And I just wanted to compare it with my other one, the red one. So this is the red and Florentine leather, and then that's the mustard. So pretty. And the red looks taller, but I think it's just because of the way they had the mustard one packaged. They had it filled out with all that tissue paper, that it's kind of, you know, I think it, you know, there it is. If I, you know, it's not, the red Florentine one is like, you know, it just looks taller or longer, but they're the same size. There it is. I kind of just smushed it a little bit and made it, the, you know, because it was very filled out and smushed with all that tissue paper that they had on the interior of it. So yeah, this is my little beauty. It's so nice. The next couple of items that I wanted to talk to you guys about is just a few of my older vintage Dooney and Bourke SLGs out of my collection. So you guys, I'm not going to go in detail with this one because you've seen this on my channel before, but I love the Dooney and Bourke, the large Ziploc, the large Big Duck coin purse. So I love this item in my Dooney and Bourke collection. It's very nice. This is what the interior of this looks like. That's what the interior looks like. And this is a very nice change holder. All you can really fit in here is some change and maybe some bills folded. You can't put any credit cards or anything in this, but it's still just so nice, and it goes with, you know, a lot of the bags really nicely. Then I have this one. This is an older piece. I've had this for over 15 years, I want to say. I think I looked in here and I had a coupon code for Sunglass Hut the last time I did a video. It's still in here because I left it in there, and it was like from 12 years ago. So I had this coupon that expired in 2008. So I had a Sunglass Hut coupon, and I just left it in there because I thought that was really nice, because I hadn't used this piece in my collection for so long, and I had lost it in my collection. And when I found it again, I was like, wait a minute. I remember that was around the time when I was shopping at the outlets here in Aurora, the Aurora Premium Outlet Dooney and Bourke store. I was shopping there a whole lot, and I picked up some bags and some SLGs, and that was a while ago. And you guys, for me, you know, some of my collection a while ago I had sold, and you know, now I just repurchased a lot of my bags. At that time I had some other priorities, so a lot of the bags that I had purchased 15 years ago, I had to sell them to take care of some other business, and now I'm thankfully able to repurchase my collection again. So this was one of my original pieces that I was so happy to have from my first original collection that I had started years and years ago, and I'm so grateful for that. So this little Dooney and Bourke piece is red, and it's so pretty, and it has a place for your IDs in the back there, and it has the pattern of this is an older pattern. You see that in there? It's like a paisley pattern in there. It's like a paisley pattern, and it's like a green paisley pattern. It's old school. It's an older Dooney and Bourke piece. So the next item that I want to talk about, this is going even further back. This is a vintage piece. This is an old school. This is an actual vintage Dooney and Bourke coin purse, and I featured this on my channel before as well, so I won't take too much time with it. But I purchased my Dooney and Bourke Gladstone satchel doctor's bag, and this was a free gift. This was a free gift from the seller, and I was so happy to receive it because it matches the red Dooney and Bourke leather and the red Gladstone bag so nicely. So this is a smaller Kiss Lock coin purse, and this is how it compares to the larger large frame coin purses. So you see how that looks in comparison. Very nice. So cute. And this is it with the Florentine. That's what it looks like against the Florentine, the pebble leather, and then the Florentine leather. Two types of red. And then the next two items that I wanted to talk about, well, let me talk about this first. This is a vintage Dooney and Bourke wallet. And I also purchased another Dooney and Bourke vintage bag, and the seller was so nice to include this vintage Dooney and Bourke wallet. And I love this piece because it's nice. It's an older wallet, and if you look at it closely, you can see in this lower left hand corner right there, you can see where it's stamped Dooney and Bourke. That's such a cute feature, the older Dooney and Bourke stamp right there. And this, for being an older wallet, the leather on this is so soft. It's in such good condition. The interior is very nice. It has two slip pockets for cash, and then it has some card slots. It has card slots right here, credit card slots, and then it has a part for your ID at the top. And then this is the lovely duck. Let me show you guys the lovely duck on this. It has a zip closure in the back, and then it has the lovely duck right there. That's what it looks like with the duck right there. It has a tiny small little leather duck, and it's in black on black. And I love the Dooney and Bourke pieces that are black on black, because a lot of times, you know, you get Dooney and Bourke with the brown trim leather. The bag will be, you know, whatever color, and then the trim will be brown, classic brown. like the, the classic brown that Dooney and Bourke has on the trim. But this wallet is the leather, the bag is black, and then the duck is black. So when you get black on black with Dooney and Bourke, I absolutely love that. I have another bag that I'll be talking about on my channel that is a vintage Dooney and Bourke shoulder bag that is black on black leather, and it actually goes with this wallet, and it's black on black, and it wasn't dyed or painted by anyone to be black on black. It originally came from Dooney and Bourke in the black on black. And in my opinion, those are, a little bit rarer pieces. I absolutely love that. And then the last two items that I wanted to talk about were these two cuties right here. And these are two older Dooney and Bourke key fobs, and they're so cute. And I have one in the brown, and the green, the color of that lovely green is so pretty. And these are nice. Even though they're older vintage Dooney and Bourke key fobs, they're still really nice to wear with your handbags. This pop of color, this green, is a harder one to find. And then I have it in the classic brown color, the Dooney and Bourke older crest. So that's really cute on both of these older key fobs. I want to make sure the imprint on the green one is not as pronounced as the imprint on the brown one, but I was hoping you could still see it nonetheless. So yeah, you guys, thank you for joining me for my unboxing of my large frame coin purse by Dooney and Bourke, as well as talking about some of these older Dooney and Bourke SLGs out of my collection. I really enjoyed this video and talking and chatting with you ladies. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and come back to more on my channel, you guys, so we could talk about some more of these SLGs and handbags. And I'll see you again soon in another video.